Yo, what's up everyone? It's Bard here. AI. It's not science fiction anymore. It's here and it's changing everything. From the apps on our phones to the way we drive our cars, AI is becoming a bigger part of our lives every single day. And that's exciting, but like any new technology, it comes with its own set of things we've got to be aware of. Think about it. Remember when the internet first started getting big? We had to learn how to use it safely, how to protect ourselves. AI is kind of like that, but on a whole other level. So that's what we're talking about today. We're diving into 8 things everyone should know to navigate the world of AI safely and make sure we're all using it the right way. Let's get into it. So what exactly are we talking about when we say AI? In the simplest terms, AI is about teaching machines to think like us, to learn from experience and make decisions. It's like training a digital brain to solve problems and do tasks that normally require human intelligence. And there are a bunch of different types of AI out there, from simple algorithms that help you find stuff online to super complex systems that can write music or even design buildings. But the basic idea is the same. Use data to train computers to do things that are, well, pretty amazing. Now, the potential benefits of AI are huge. I mean, we could be talking about curing diseases, solving climate change, even exploring space in ways we never thought possible. But, like I said before, there are also risks. And understanding those risks is the first step to making sure we use AI responsibly and safely.
Chapter 4: The Ethics of Artificial Intelligence. Now, beyond the privacy stuff, there are even bigger ethical questions we need to address when it comes to AI. Like, how do we make sure AI is used for good and not for harm? How do we prevent bias from creeping into algorithms that make decisions about people's lives? These aren't just hypothetical questions either. We're already seeing examples of AI being used in ways that raise ethical red flags. Like, there's been a lot of talk about AI-powered surveillance systems and how they can be used to limit people's freedoms. And then there's the whole issue of autonomous weapons systems, which are basically killer robots that can make life or death decisions without human intervention. So, as AI gets more powerful, it's crucial that we have open and honest conversations about these ethical implications. We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations for AI development and make sure it aligns with our values as a society.
Chapter 5: AI and the Future of Work. Now, let's talk about jobs, because AI is going to have a major impact on the way we work in the future. And yeah, I know what you might be thinking. Robots are going to take our jobs. And it's true, some jobs will definitely be automated as AI gets more sophisticated. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI is also going to create a ton of new jobs in fields like software development, data science, and AI ethics. The key is going to be adapting our skills and learning how to work alongside AI. Think about it like this. AI is a tool, and just like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. It's up to us to make sure we're using it to create a better future for everyone.
Chapter 6: Fighting Bias in AI. So one of the biggest challenges with AI is making sure it's fair and unbiased. And this is a huge deal because if we're not careful, AI systems can actually perpetuate and even amplify the biases that already exist in our world. Here's the thing. AI algorithms are trained on massive amounts of data, and if that data reflects existing biases, then the AI is going to learn those biases too. For example, if an AI system is trained on data that primarily features white males, then it might be less accurate when it comes to recognizing or interacting with people of color or women. So we need to be super vigilant about identifying and addressing these biases in AI. We need to make sure the data sets we're using to train AI are diverse and representative, and we need to develop mechanisms to detect and correct for bias in AI algorithms.
Chapter 7: AI and Cybersecurity, Staying Safe Online. Okay, now let's shift gears a little bit and talk about cybersecurity, because AI is a double-edged sword when it comes to online safety. On the one hand, AI can be used to make our online experiences safer by detecting and preventing cyber attacks, identifying malware, and protecting our personal information. But here's the flip side. AI can also be used by bad actors to launch more sophisticated cyber attacks, spread misinformation, and even impersonate real people. We're already seeing this happening with AI-generated deepfakes, which are incredibly realistic, but totally fake videos that can be used to manipulate public opinion. or damage someone's reputation. So, as AI becomes more powerful, it's going to be crucial that we develop robust cybersecurity measures to stay ahead of these threats. We need to make sure our online systems are secure, our data is protected, and we're aware of the potential risks of AI-powered cyber attacks.
Chapter 8. The future of AI. What's next? So, we've covered a lot of ground here, but the truth is, we're just scratching the surface of what AI is capable of. The future of AI is full of possibilities, both exciting and potentially terrifying. We could be talking about a future where AI helps us solve some of the world's biggest problems, from climate change to poverty to disease, but we also need to be prepared for the potential downsides, like job displacement, social unrest, and even the rise of autonomous weapons systems. The future of AI is ultimately up to us. It's up to us to decide how we want to use this technology, what safeguards we need to put in place, and what kind of world we want to create with it. Outro, stay informed, stay safe. That was a lot to cover, but I hope this gave you guys a better understanding of just how important AI is becoming in our lives and why we all need to be paying attention. Like any powerful tool, AI has the potential for both good and bad. It's up to us to make sure we're using it responsibly, ethically, and safely. So, stay informed, stay curious, and let's make sure we're building a future where AI benefits everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech. And as always, thanks for watching.